Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Grove Street. Now, you see that back there? That is Christopher Street. But here, there's a divider right there. Christopher, Grove Street. This is the divider what we're going to take right now. So again, this is Christopher, Grove Street. And that was divider right there that divides the street here. I already did Christopher. We're going to do Grover Street in a few once these cars go here. Now, let me show you first where I am. So you see, this is right here. This is the midpoint. Now let me show you where I am, guys. Let me show you where I am. That's Grove Street, Christopher Street. And this is where I am right now. And that back there is Waverly Place, crossing over. And this is the Northern Dispensary, founded 1827. And now, guys, we start the journey now to Grove Street, right here. And this is coming up at Grove Street, Waverly Place. So you see, that's Waverly Place 1, Waverly Place 2. There's got two of them. Now we keep going this way. As you can see, guys, there's a path here. There's a sidewalk, but it's very, very, very narrow. See? So I'm just gonna take the edge right here. Now we're gonna go through here, now to the actual sidewalk. This is about 4 blocks long, guys, so it's not that long. And just like I did with Christopher a few minutes ago, we're gonna be coming to the 7-star reception. The 7-star reception, where all these 7 streets interlocked. Coming up at Grove Street, CJ, Washington Place, heading westbound. See, Grove Street, West 4th Street.
She was like, I'm gonna.
And again, guys, you see, there's more division back there. 1, 2. But this right here, in the middle back there, this is the 7-star reception, where all these streets interlocked. Just so to see how it you know, mind-boggling this is. Coming up at Grove Street, CJ, 7th Avenue South, heading westbound. And in the background again, Big Hemoth. Andy's Alley. Again, guys, back down there, that's the 7-star reception. That's where all these streets be interlocking in each other. Some start there, some cross through there, and some just end there. Go figure. That's Pizzalino Bar, Italian. Like I said, this street in particular has only 4 blocks. It's gonna end by Hudson, that's it. And this is Via Carota, Italiano. Natalia. Yeah, Carota. Again, coming up at Grove Street, Bleecker Street, heading westbound. See, check it out, guys, see? Like stuff like this, see, they don't make that anymore. That's back in the old days, man. That is really architecture. That's really old stuff. That was always they got the pyramid up there. The pyramid type of This Emmett on Grove Street. See, and check out this building. It almost like one of those Spanish villas, man. See, it's got the look of the Spanish villa. And that is Buvette. I think that's French. Check it out, guys, see? And we got the Roman columns right there. All these three, 1, 2, and 3 back there. The Roman columns, nice. Again, guys, I've never been out here before. And some of these buildings are just nice, bro. But you see, the thing is, they may be nice, but in here's all money. It's the American dollar, man. A lot of rich people, expensive stuff like that. I'm not rich, I'm poor. Anyways, I see all this here. It's nice. It's a nice neighborhood. At night, I don't know. Maybe something that's someone else's. I don't come out at night. But yeah, some of these streets and neighborhoods are really good, cool, man. Again, I'm only rich in kindness, guys, but poor in humility. Now, we keep going. Again, I'm gonna show, again, guys, I've never been here before, and it's supposed to end by Hudson Street. Coming up at Grove Street, CJ, GTA San Andreas, Bedford Street, heading westbound. See, now we're gonna go to the right now. So now this is curving to the right. See, Google says straight. Here it's just a little slightly to the right. It curves. So you see, so not everything you see in Google is what you see. When you get here, it's something else. Let me show you, what is this? This is, I think this is a school, man. But check out the column, guys. 1, 2. Yeah, I think this is a school. What school? I don't know. But like I said, it's only 4 blocks long. Total time 15 minutes tops. 15 minutes tops. So now we're gonna go on the other side of the street and go back around eastbound. Coming up at Grove Street, CJ, GTA San Andreas, Hudson Street. Again, guys, like I said before, live and learn, man. Live and learn. But once you leave this plane, man, there's no turning back. I wish we could, but that's not. Those are not God's. Those are not. That's God is different, so He doesn't want to. See, as a human, if we were to come back here a second time, I would, but no. Like He says, we don't think like God. God thinks like He thinks, you know. Again, this is Grove Street, CJ, Hudson Street, and this is where it ends, right here. And at the end of Grove Street, where CJ lives around here somewhere, we have some sort of metal church. It's the St. Luke in the Fields. I never heard of this before. It's got one tower. See? It's got one tower, and it's got this other half here, like the rectory. Now, we go back eastbound again. In search for CJ. Trying to find CJ from the game GTA San Andreas. CJ, if you can hear me, man, let me know where you live around here, guys. Because I'm on Grove Street, but I don't know the number or the name of your address. So if you see this CJ from GTA San Andreas, let me know, okay, man? Thank you, bro. See ya. So, more scaffolds, see? Again, there's a lot of repairs in here in New York City, guys. Remember, this city is more than 200 years old, guys. So, you know, some buildings might need a little bit of repairs, you know, here and there. Because 200 years, that's 200 years, guys. A mere human goes anywhere from 70 to 80, average 70 to 80 years old. So we're never gonna see 200 years, guys. Never. And then we'll go through here. And again, guys, if you see this, you see the curvature? See back there, it's straight. But the curvature back here, you see? This is where it goes into, see? You see that? Right there. This is where it goes into a curve. It goes into a curve. It was straight in Google Maps. So go figure. Oh, check it out, guys. That's one of those electric chair things. Nice. I think it's all weatherproof. Coming up at Grove Street, Bedford Street, also known as Larry Selman Way, heading eastbound. Oh, by the way, I already did Bedford. Soon to be uploaded. Little Owl established 6. Okay. Down in this side of the west highway, west side, the west side, all these buildings are really old, man. In between.
Yeah. Well, I hope you have a good birthday. And Rachel says happy birthday.
See, check it out, guys. See, stuff like that. They don't make that anymore. Again, that looks like a Spanish Ville, guys. Just the aesthetics right there. That's what it looks like. And then next to it, you have like a white building with that weird looking yeah, the just the they look like bricks outside. That's, yeah, like I said. Anyways, and this is Bouvette. I think it's French. I'm not French, but I'm just guessing. Anyways, let's see. You see, they got the old houses with the columns. Those two. Coming up at Grove Street, Bleecker Street, heading eastbound. And it says there, Hungry Ghost. Hungry Ghost Coffee. I never heard of a ghost that's hungry when they're already dead. Coffee. And after this, guys, we're definitely gonna do the Varick Street. I think that runs about 19 to 20 blocks, average. Check it out. So they got Via Carrozza here and another Via Carrozza. So these guys are big, man. They have one here and another one across the street. That's a big restaurant, bro. And that is Arthur's Tavern. Coming up at Grove Street, CJ, 7th Avenue South, heading eastbound. Under 20 minutes, guys. I said 15 minutes, but yeah, let's just say under 20 minutes. Let me show you a little bit here, guys. See? This is 7th Avenue South. Let me show you what we got here. And in the background again, that's the big behemoth. Got all this in here, guys. And now we cross. Check out the skyline, guys. Check out the skyline. Not a cloud in the sky. Coming up at Grove Street, West 4th Street, heading eastbound. Washington Place, Grove Street, Washington Place. See how they both connect here? Both of them. Check out the columns again, guys. See? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, guys. So we're gonna finish the video back there on another block down. Because technically that's where it starts also anyway. So finishing Grove Street back in the corner, guys. And again, see, we started back there, but initially starts in that side. So thanks for joining me on this walk, guys. And again, thank you. Don't forget to like me a lot. Don't forget to share the glory, the faith, and everything. No se olviden de darme un like, un share. And guys, I will see you somewhere in time again. Grove Street and Waverly Place. And I'll see you somewhere in time. Bye.